Now, let's review the Model 5500's Auto Mode and On-Demand mode. Every 5500 is shipped with the PLC and Auto Mode, so it will be the unit's default setup. You can verify this by checking that the auto light on the control panel is illuminated after installation. In Auto Mode, the unit will automatically initiate a drain cycle when the float switch senses that the collection assembly is full, and automatically every 30 days to exercise the valves regularly, regardless of past drain cycles. To switch the unit from Auto Mode to On-Demand mode, press the Test and Reset button on the control panel in rapid succession 4 times. To verify that the unit has been switched to On-Demand mode, check the auto light on the control panel and make sure it is turned off. When the unit is in On-Demand mode, it will not automatically drain when the float switch senses that the collection assembly is full, and it will not initiate a drain cycle every 30 days. If the float switch senses that the collection assembly is full, it will sound an audible alarm and flash a local LED to notify the operator that the unit needs attention. To drain the collection assembly, the drain cycle must be initiated by pressing and holding the drain button on the control panel for at least 1 second. A remote drain option can be installed if desired. Since the drain cycle is not initiated automatically in On-Demand mode, a manual initiation of the drain cycle is required every 30 days to keep the valves exercised. To switch the unit from On-Demand mode back into Auto Mode, press the Test and Reset button on the control panel in rapid succession 4 times. To make sure the unit has been successfully restored to Auto Mode, check that the auto light on the control panel is illuminated. The Model 5500 has now been restored to Auto Mode and will operate automatically. Specify the Model 5500 onto new builds or upgrade existing drains with the superior performance of an AGF Collect and Drain. Visit agfmfg.com for more information.